Kwaba. Welcome to my channel. So guys, we are doing a room tour. It's actually my tiny studio apartment tour in the city. So guys, I'm going to tour the room for you guys to see, and I'm actually in the city right now. I go to school on the weekends, you guys already know. So some weekends, most weekends, I'm in the city for school, and when I'm in the city, I live in Amokom area near Kumasi Sports Stadium. Those of us that are in Ghana and Kumasi precisely, you guys know where I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm going to tour my studio apartment for you guys to see how some studio apartments in the city of Kumasi is like. So guys, let's get into the video. So when you come in, this is what you see. This is a doormat. This thing over there is the first thing you see. It's my doormat. Then after you come to this side where I have my television, I have this art piece here. And then I have my television over here. So that is my television. And then I have my other things over there, my extension board on the floor, and then my Bluetooth over here. Then I've got some decorative toys that I've just lying in front of my television. Then at the top of my television, I also have this art work inside this shelf. It's an open shelf because it's not closed, and then I've got the flowers on top here. So that is the situation for this area. I've got my iron over there. You guys see it. So this area is where I have my couch. This is my couch. The station is in such a way that you sit here and then you watch television. So you sit on the couch here and then you watch television. And then in between the couch and the television, you can see televisions over there, and then the couch is over here. In between them, I have this my dressing mirror over here, because it's just a small room, a one studio apartment. So I have the mirror over here. Hello guys. So just above the mirror, I have this thing here, give us our daily bread, over there at the top here. So just beside the couch, upper part, I got this shelf over here where I put watches, and then just above it I have these art pieces over here, the creative art pieces. Can you guys see it? I love it. So just on top of the couch, I have these curtains over here. I got three. Two is just above the couch, and I've got this art piece here. in between the curtains, and then the other curtain is over here. It's also above the couch. So I've got the bed just next to the couch. So this is the best situation going on here. And then just above the bed, I've got this artwork here. So just in front of the bed is the wardrobe. I've got my white wardrobe here. So that we have our things inside. So the other window besides the wardrobe, I have another curtains. The same type that I have above the couch. I got 3, so this is the third one. And then just up that window, I have another art piece here. That's over there. So that's my art piece there. So guys, I'm not going to film the kitchen because it's a communal kitchen and people are there right now cooking their dishes, and I don't want to create any inconvenience for anyone. So I'm not going to go there to film the kitchen for you guys, but I just know that it's a communal kitchen. However, I'm going to film the bathroom for you guys to see the bathroom situation here. So I believe no one is there right now, so I'm going to go there to take a short film for you guys to see the bathroom situation. So this is the bathroom situation over here. So this is where you put your soap and stuff. So basically this is it. So that's it for my studio apartment tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. So guys, if you like house tour and room tour related videos, please like the video, and I'll be sure to bring you guys more of such videos. Don't forget to subscribe, anything you need to do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.